Okay, have you ever seen, various colleges, companies, countries also? Sometimes they have logos, or they have mascots of something that inspires them, right? Some animals, है ना, होते हैं ना, क्या कौन सा जैसे शेर, yeah, like everybody likes lions, tigers. What else? Give some examples. Python, okay. Yeah, it can be like a dragons, eagle, dinosaur, like big, inspiring things. Elephants, yes, elephant can be, I've seen, elephant can also be these inspiring animals. Dolphin, yeah, it is cute, and cheetah, yeah. Wolf, okay, wow, it's a full animal kingdom going on here. Okay, but I'll tell you, my choice is very different. And after this talk, hopefully, you will also feel differently. My choice is cockroach. Who said E? Somebody said E. E, they are creepy. Nobody likes them. Nobody likes them. I know. But after this talk, maybe you will respect them a little more, because they have more lessons for all of us than many of these other animals. Because, we like it when there's a tiger to inspire us, but we've killed all the tigers almost. They're gone. We have to, like, government has to put money to save 1,000 tigers, 2,000 tigers. But we feel it's very inspiring. कॉकरोचेस को कभी हुआ है गवर्नमेंट ने वेलफेयर फंड किया है, सेव द कॉकरोच? कोई सोसाइटी बनी है सेव द डॉल्फिन्स होता है, कभी बोला है सेव द कॉकरोच? नहीं. आप ये सोचो, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हैं, दे गॉन, हिट, मल्टीनेशनल्स, funded by capital markets, listed companies with HR departments, finance departments, factories, sales offices, everything. One purpose: kill cockroaches. Have they been able to? No. People must be going to office. बच्चे पूछते होंगे, पापा कहाँ जा रहे हो? ऑफिस जा रहे हैं. क्यों जा रहे हो? कॉकरोच मारने. नहीं मार पाए, नहीं मार पा रहे हैं. Right? You know why? Because cockroach is one of the most adaptive creatures on earth. और जिंदगी में, and this is not just me saying it कि सर की राय है. Someone like a Charles Darwin, you heard of Charles Darwin? Who was the evolutionary biologist, not management guru, not writer, not TED speaker. He observed this about nature. The strongest doesn't survive. The most intelligent doesn't survive. ये जो हम कहते हैं ना, फर्स्ट आओ क्लास में, ये वो, doesn't matter. You know what survives in life? The most adaptive survives. How do you decide a species is doing well? कोई भी animal kingdom में या कोई भी species कैसे? If they are reproducing. If there's lots and lots of them, if they are growing. Tigers are not growing. Cockroaches, they are reproducing, man. Because they do it anywhere. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the car. They can survive freezing temperatures. You'll find cockroaches in very cold places. They can survive hot temperatures. Find them in the summer, find them in the winter. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There are some unique qualities they have, and which is what I want you guys to have in your life, and I have tried to bring into my life. Like, for example, do you know cockroaches can eat anything? It's organic. They can't eat plastic and all. Anything nature made, they will eat. Dead leaves, dead animals, dead insects, paper, fabric, कुछ भी खा लेंगे. They are not complaining. It helps in life, right? Sometimes we feel, ये जॉब मुझे नहीं अच्छी लग रही, इसका पैकेज अच्छा नहीं है, इसके आवर्स अच्छे नहीं है, मेरा बॉस ऐसे है, ये ऑफिस में ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा है जाने के लिए, ये we do both. Cockroach doesn't do. You know what cockroach does? ठीक है यार, खा लेते हैं. This attitude of adaptation helps the cockroach. And now you don't give the cockroach food. You know what it does? It's okay. 40 days they can stay without food. And then when they get food, they eat. नहीं मिल रहा तो रोते नहीं है. They just maybe start making more cockroaches. अब टाइम मिला, खाना नहीं है तो कुछ और ही कर लो. Right? Do you know if you cut off the head of a cockroach, it will live for 10 days? Because cockroach का nervous system यहाँ नहीं है. हमारा तो सब कुछ यही है ना. देयर होल बॉडी, द नर्वस सिस्टम जो उनका है वो फैला हुआ है. द ओनली रीजन दे डाई आफ्टर 10 days इज बिकॉज पानी नहीं मिला. सो दे ड्राई आउट, बेसिकली दे डाई ऑफ थर्स्ट. अदरवाइज उनका तो बिना सर के भी काम चल रहा है. यू नो, इन लाइफ सर कटेगा आपका भी. इन लाइफ खाना बंद होगा, इन द सेंस यू विल लूज अ जॉब. Somebody will break up with you. Your parents will not support you. The technology in the industry you are working in will change. It will get disrupted. Right now, everything is getting disrupted by AI. Right? And you can all sit and say, अरे अब सब खत्म हो गया, अब तो नौकरियां ही नहीं बचेंगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा. There will be completely new set of jobs. खाली थोड़ा ना बैठेंगे इंसान, कुछ ना कुछ तो ढूंढ ही लेंगे करने के लिए. But it will be different. It will be adaptation. And that's what a cockroach would do. कॉकरोच क्या करेगा उस सिचुएशन में? एआई चल रहा है, एआई सीख लेते हैं. They don't sit and cry कि एक जमाना था यार, हम किचन में रहा करते थे, फिर मेन साहब आए, उन्होंने झाड़ू मारा, फिर हम सब मर गए. नहीं, फिर हम बाथरूम में जाके छुप गए, फिर बाथरूम में आए, फिर हम सोफे के नीचे छुप गए, फिर हमने और बच्चे पैदा कर लिए, हम चले गए, तुम्हारे बच्चे जी रहे हैं. That's the attitude you need in life. You know, it's not just jobs, it's not just career. In life, you only will change. At 18 years of age, right? Sandy in college gets a bike, does wheelie. Does anyone know wheelie? Huh? We used to think it's very cool. When I was in college, we thought if you do wheelie, girls will get impressed, which is basically lifting the bike on one tire. I don't know. I don't think they do, but we used to think that. And Sandy comes on a bike, he puts the wheelie. Oh, Sandy's so cool. Right? He's 18 years old. He's so cool. At 38, he does wheelies, but he doesn't have a job. He doesn't have a house. He has no future, but he's doing wheelies. Will he be impressive? No, what happened? He's not cool anymore. Sandy, नौकरी ढूंढ ले. सैंडी, घर का क्या होगा तेरा? और तेरा नाम संदीप है, सैंडी है ही नहीं. Adaptation. And then Sandy at 58 will be different, and Sandy at 78 will be different, and that is you, all of you. We will all change, right? When I was 18, or maybe not 18, but early 20s, I would love to party. I'm not encouraging it, and I do not recommend it. I would go out drinking with my friends. And then next day morning, go to work, go to class, 5 hours of sleep is okay. Now if I drink 2 beers, it takes me 3 days to recover. I'm old, I'm 51 now. I have to adapt. So I stop drinking, or hardly I do. Does it mean I'm less cool? I don't know. But it is allowing me to be, healthy and alive and work, In my book's case, when my books first came out, the first book came out 2004. Some of you were not even born. I'm really old now. Okay. I'm 51 now. And at that time, there were no cell phones in the country. Forget smartphones. There were no cell phones. So people would see books in hostels. They would tear up my books into 10 parts. And one person reading one part, one person reading one part. It was so popular. And it used to be like that. Like they're just waiting for my book. Now, if I have to tell them to read a book, I have to make them leave their beautiful phone. All those reels, all those Saira videos of people crying in the theater, or whatever is the latest meme going on that week, right? And now you have to pick up a book. It's much difficult. My stories had to change. I had to change. And you know what I had to do? I had to get on the phone. I could have sit and complained कि यार ये क्या हमारा एक ज़माना था जब किताबें चला करती थी. Or I can say, if people are on Instagram, I'll be on Instagram. If people are on YouTube, I'll be on YouTube. If people are doing TED Talks, I'll do TED Talks. Why? Because कॉकरोच यही करता ना. तो दोस्तों, अब आपको रियलाइज हुआ कि कॉकरोच कितना बढ़िया रोल मॉडल है कि नहीं? अगली बार जब देखोगे, ठीक है, क्रीपी फिर भी लगेगा, लेकिन उसमें भी उसका फायदा है. अगर वो ब्यूटीफुल तितली होता, उसे पकड़ के हम पिंजरे में बंद रखते हैं कि देखो, पर वो बनाए ही भद्दा है ताकि आप उसे अकेला छोड़ दो, वो अपनी जिंदगी जिसके, वो भी उसके लिए फायदे की चीज है, और उससे सीखो. See what we can do. Face difficult times, be hungry at times if you have to be, and keep on adapting. Hot, cold, you know, apartments, house, jungle, anywhere you can live. Have this attitude. I promise you, you will get very far in life. You have heard of me. Why? It's not just books, because you've seen the movies, you've seen me on some newspapers, some talk, some YouTube channel, something like that. These are all cockroach inspirations. I will keep on adapting. If tomorrow there are AI robots floating around our world, I will make a robot and program it to tell stories or something like that. So please respect the cockroach and make that the logo of your life. Thank you.